Meaning of draftsman.
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 Draftsman. A draftsman is a skilled professional who creates technical drawings and plans. They typically work in fields such as architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. Draftsmen use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create accurate, detailed drawings of structures, products, and parts. These drawings are used to communicate ideas and designs to others involved in the construction or production process. The role of a draftsman requires knowledge of geometry, math, and materials. They also need to possess good visualization skills and attention to detail. Overall, a draftsman plays a critical role in creating accurate plans for construction and manufacturing projects.